And for months, News 5 investigators have been tracking pool contractors accused of taking homeowners' dreams of having a backyard pool and leaving them high and dry. Tonight, Jonathan Walsh, who broke this story, has major developments about two different contractors and the consequences they now face.
Both matters known as State of Ohio versus Alan D. Gulliford.
Alan Gulliford faced 2 criminal counts after taking people's money for pool projects and not delivering on his promises.
He committed both of these offenses while he was on community control in Lorain County for, of all things, a grand theft case.
News 5 investigators have shown the myriad of cases in different counties where Gulliford took clients' money but did not do the work, even after the Ohio Attorney General sanctioned him.
Banned from doing business or operating as Perfect In-Ground Pool, but he did so anyway.
We were looking for somebody to overhaul it for us.
On a different case, Jennifer Griffin hired Gulliford in April of 2018, and documents show she paid him more than $9,000 up front. After a long time of no work, she says Gulliford showed up to her home asking for more money. And wait until you hear why.
He was having a bad week, so he went to Vegas, spent a little more money than he should have, and didn't have the money he needed.
She said no and never saw Gulliford again. She talked to police, but it never went anywhere at the time. However, she says after our Gulliford investigation aired, she went back to Kirtland Police a couple of days before this interview.
He revisited the case, and he is forwarding it to the prosecutor for review, and it looks promising. Back in Geauga County Court, Gulliford said he was sorry.
I apologize for my actions, and I would appreciate to get help.
But the judge said this.
But I don't trust you not to continue to take money for people, money that you don't earn.
In the end, the judge went beyond the 9-month recommended sentence and gave Gulliford 12 months behind bars. Plus, he has to pay nearly $40,000 in restitution.
Now he has to do some prison time, which he should do.
Deb Krebs is one of the victims in the Gulliford cases and was in court for the sentencing.
My husband was supposed to retire, and now he cannot because of the financial impact this has had on our family.
Gulliford is eligible for parole in mid-March. Meanwhile, so it's been a long process.
It's been a terrible process.
You might remember Brian Glazen from Solon, who earlier this year told us about his dreadful pool project with a different contractor, Jason Modick, and his Aqua Pros company.
He doesn't seem to care, and no one else seems to be holding him accountable for not caring.
Brian had an ongoing civil suit against Modick. Our previous reporting showed you Modick's response to a judge's question in a criminal case.
Have you ever failed to appear for court in any prior matters?
Well, in Brian's civil case,
Still never showed up to any of the court. He just ignored the whole thing.
So the judge just ruled in favor of Brian and told Modick to pay nearly $160,000.
I'm really upset by the whole game. I'm upset that the courts took 2 years on a case that was very, very, very obvious.
By the way, Modick already had a different case ruled against him for more than $160,000. So, will victims ever see their money?
Since the last news report, I've been in touch with a lot of these people, and I'm far ahead of them, and I'm way behind on possibly ever seeing any results from court.
2 pool contractors and a whole lot of victims.
He has to go to jail. He's damaged too many people.
I'd like to see it go through a prosecution and have the criminal charges filed.
I wish he could have got a longer sentence, but we'll take what we can get.
Well, News 5 investigators have just learned Gulliford will be criminally charged this week for Jennifer Griffin's case out of Kirtland. So some good news there.
Jonathan, this is really all mouth-dropping stuff because, as you said, it's a dream to have a backyard pool. So we have to ask about Jason Modick. What is next for him?
Yeah, so Modick, interesting case. His criminal case in Geauga County was supposed to start last week. It's been delayed. It's still in the process. We're just waiting for court dates, so we'll let people know about that.
All right, Jonathan Walsh, tracking it all for us. We appreciate you staying on top of this.
Thank you.